This is a tablet screen protector tutorial from Green Onions Supply. To complete this installation, you will need the contents of your screen protector package, clean water or a screen cleaning solution, and some form of cellophane packing tape or scotch tape. Step 1. Cleaning your screen. Place your tablet screen in a well-lit environment for installation, preferably without dust. Then, use a lamp or flashlight to help you find and clean the dirty areas of your screen. Now, take the microfiber cloth from its packaging and wet one side of it using water or your screen cleaning solution. Use this damp portion to clean the screen of all smudges and stains. Then, fold to the dry portion of the cloth and use it to dry the screen and remove any streaking or dust that you find. Finally, check under your light source for any more streaking. Repeat the cleaning as necessary until your screen is completely clean. You can generally ignore smaller bits of dust that may settle after your first cleaning, but make sure all stains and smudges are gone. Next, step 2, attaching the dust isolation sheet. Remove the clear dust isolation sheet from its yellow paper backing. You can set this backing aside for future use. Now, lay the dust isolation sheet down onto the screen, the sticky side touching the screen and covering it completely. Push out any larger bubbles that form towards the edge of the screen to remove them. You don't have to remove them all. The dust isolation sheet performs two purposes. It removes dust from your screen that your cleaning may have missed, and it also isolates your screen from airborne dust until you are ready to attach the screen protector. Next, step 3. Scroll back the dust isolation sheet. First, choose an edge to begin the installation from. We recommend starting from an edge of your tablet with a button or a camera. These usually have a corresponding cutout in their screen protectors, which require more accurate alignment than other edges. Now, partially peel off the dust isolation sheet from the edge you chose. Use the flap you peeled back to form a tight scroll where the sheet sticks to itself. Roll this scroll back to expose several inches of the tablet screen. Next, step 4. Expose and align the screen protector. First, prepare the screen protector by removing its masking layer. This is the tab labeled Front, which mentions a masking film. Don't mistake it for the backing. Now, identify the edge of your screen protector that matches up with the exposed edge of your screen. Partially peel off the screen protector's backing from this edge, and then fold the backing against itself. Align the exposed edge of the protector with the edge of the screen. Once it is perfectly aligned, allow that edge to attach. If it's crooked, remove, realign, and reattach. Next, step 5. Attach the protector, remove the dust isolation sheet, and check alignment. Now that your edge is aligned, scroll back the dust isolation sheet to give you more space on the screen. Then, expose more of the screen protector by removing more of its backing. Allow the protector to further attach to the newly exposed area of the screen. Continue to alternate between exposing more of the screen by rolling back the dust isolation sheet and installing more of the screen protector in the exposed areas. When you get to the end of the screen, you can take off the dust isolation sheet entirely and fully remove the backing to allow full attachment of the protector. At this point, you can save the dust isolation sheet, unroll it, and stick it to the waxy side of its paper backing. Now, Check the alignment of your protector, especially along the edges, corners, and any camera or button cutouts. If it's misaligned, you'll need a piece of cellophane tape. Attach it to the corner of the protector. Use the tape as a tab to lift the protector gently off of the screen. Then, align and attach it again. Don't worry too much about not touching the glue. As long as your hands are clean, you shouldn't leave any obvious marks. Once reattached, check the alignment. Repeat the removal and attachment until you are satisfied. Finally, hold the protector and slowly and firmly peel off the tape. Next, step 6. Remove dust and bubbles. To remove bubbles, simply use the microfiber cloth to push them out towards the nearest edge of the screen. If you find bubbles which cannot be removed, they are most often caused by dust or fibers trapped underneath the protector, which can be removed easily. To demonstrate this, we added some dust underneath the protector, as our installation did not have any dust issues. This will create bubbles which cannot be removed because they have bits of dust stuck inside, and other fibers are trapped in the area. To remove the dust, you will again need to work in a bright environment and use a lamp or flashlight to check for dust. Grab your cellophane tape and a microfiber cloth as well. Firmly attach a piece of tape to the corner of the screen protector near the dust, with enough tape left unattached to form a tab that you can grab. Then, take another piece of tape. You'll be using the sticky side of this piece of tape to remove the dust from the glue of the screen protector. Most normal cellophane packing tapes are acceptable, and should be strong enough to grab the protector, but mild enough not to stick too much. If your tape is rigid enough, you can use the U method depicted here, with your thumb and forefinger sticking to the tape and forming an outwards U. The sticky side is facing outwards. For flimsier pieces of tape, use the ring method, where you wrap your forefinger or two fingers with a piece of tape and form a ring that has the sticky side facing outwards. Now, use the corner tab of tape to gently lift the protector partially off of the screen, exposing the area with dust stuck. Then, lightly dab the protector with the piece of tape to remove the dust. We recommend using the bouncing and pinching method you see here. Spread your fingers to increase the surface area as you attach, and pinch your fingers together as you pull the tape away. You can allow the protector to reattach and check for more dust. Make sure the dust and fibers you see aren't simply on top of the protector. Repeat the process of checking and cleaning until you are satisfied by the lack of dust. Move to other corners if you find dust near them. Once clean, remove all air bubbles, peel off the tab of tape, and your installation is complete. Thank you for watching. You can find more about our products at www.greenonionsupply.com. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter.